So last week, me, Streetman, Arrow, Jesus, Doowop, and Duna did an insane live stream case opening, as you can see by the title. We decided to open 1,800 cases in a 6-way case battle where the person with the most value at the end wins all the skins. And this is the highlight video of that stream. And before we get into it, I'd like to thank Skins Monkey for sponsoring this video. Skins Monkey is one of the best and easy to use CS2 trading websites where you can change up your inventory to any color combination you like. Blue, yellow, pink, colorblind, doesn't matter. Skins Monkey's got them all. And by clicking the link in the description or using code Anomaly, you can get a deposit bonus of up to 35%. And if it's your first trade, you can also use code Anomaly for up to $5 for free. Plus, they've got nice extras like freebies for free skins and balance, and they've also got 24/7 live support. So if you want to try them out, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you once again, Skins Monkey, for sponsoring this video. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yo!
Hello, gentlemen.
What's Arrow doing?
Arrow is the only one who's not here. Oh no.
He's eating bugs, probably.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Now we're everyone here. Okay, gentlemen, welcome to the case battle. 1,800 cases. 1v1v1v1v1v1. Winner takes it all based on the value of the skins you open. That's it. That's pretty much the rules.
It's impossible to not get a gold out of 1,800 cases. It just doesn't happen.
I heard Arrow's on a 1,200 dry streak though.
Things are looking really bad right now.
This looks so insane. Just 6 screen shares all with cases, man. This is peak degeneracy. I'm screenshotting this shit, mate. Are we ready? Okay, first case, let's do on the countdown. 3, 2, 1, whoop him! Let's go, baby! Dude.
Come on.
Butterfly emerald, butterfly emerald.
Come on.
Okay, nothing on the first.
stepping
Oh,
off.
what? Duna opened the red on the first one.
And in minimal wear, let's go.
What?
That's probably the best thing we're gonna unbox this
Yeah.
week. Nice. Oh, pink already!
Oh,
No
Nice.
way.
Good start. Very good start.
Okay, fuck it. Let's not screen share and we just don't have lag.
Maybe we shouldn't have opened cases and bought better computers instead.
You're right, yeah.
I'm on 20 more keys. Okay?
Yeah, me too. In the first 20, I got 1 purple. No, 2 purples, then only blue. Man.
Always count the first one.
Wait, oh, sorry, I already opened the first one. 3, 2, 1. Wham. Bro, I landed next to the AK. Are you kidding me? No. To put it into perspective, every case that you open now is actually 6 cases.
Any of you got red yet, guys?
No.
Or?
No pink for me even, bro. This is rough.
I already got 2 pink.
CS is sexist, bro.
I feel it's starting to crank, but nothing is happening yet.
I'm just waiting for screaming. Just we don't know who, but someone's gonna start screaming.
We ready with next 20 or what?
I'm ready
Yeah, I'm
whenever.
ready.
Alright, 3, 2,
got
1. Whoop him! Oh, unlucky Doowop. You were too late. Dick.
Come on,
Yeah.
Red my pie.
Oh, I saw the red.
Something, something, something. No.
The only thing left is like, yeah, open cases and...
Oh, nice.
There's only so far you
I got
can
gold.
push.
Wait, you did?
I got gold.
What?
Bowie freehand.
Oh, you did.
Bro,
First
what?
gold!
First gold? No way! Streetman, bottom left, press the hand with a gun. Look, left hand, see! Oh, now! Whee!
Wait, hold on,
Wait
hold
for
on.
it.
I got a gold. I got a gold.
What?
Oh, no, he's trolling, he's
I'm not
trolling.
falling for that.
He's trolling, he's trolling.
Fine.
Yeah, bastard, no way.
Bro, I can't believe Ludus cameraman is scamming us now.
Bro.
Yo!
That's like
At the major, I didn't know Streetman, and then I said to Ludus, "Is this your cameraman?"
So toxic.
It destroyed me, man. I've been making
Oh,
videos
red,
for
stack,
10 years.
check red, no!
What?
Was it the MP9?
Thank you, Arrow.
It's the MP9, no way! Bro, look at Arrow, man.
That's rarer than a knife.
You're even wearing your Anita Max win hat. There's no fucking way.
$7!
Rarer than a knife and $7? Nah, man. Hey, my first pink. Okay, I'm back in it.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, well-worn MP7. Who's popping a chug jug? Hello?
That's me.
Oi, stat track pink. Okay. This is almost as rare as a knife. Very unlucky. Me and Arrow in the gutter.
No, another red!
No way.
It's cheaper than the last one.
Oh, I got a raid too. It's Silent
Which
Protector.
one?
MP9 Silent Protector field tested.
Oi.
Huh? Pink?
1800 divided by 385. What is that?
Is it
Let me pull up the
385?
What? I got a
What?
No. Oh my god.
floor.
Really?
I was checking the chat, and then I look back and I see knife. 125 euro, bro. How much is a bowie knife?
Somebody in my chat said those are cheaper. Lol.
No way. Donas is 126 euro on Steam Market. Streetman's 180. Streetman's still in the lead.
Lore is insane. insane, and then it's fucking butt plugs, bro. I can't.
Those Shadow Daggers are underrated. They're actually good knives, I'm telling you. You have to try them out in-game and then out of game as well, if you know what I mean. They feel good.
You zesty as hell, bro. Hello? What's happening? Arrow puts bugs in his ass.
What?
So that's 60 gone, but actually that's 360 cases. 360 cases, 2 golds, we're beating the odds, eh?
Yeah.
If it keeps going
on
like
good
this,
pace
we'll have
right
like
now.
10 golds, bro, total.
We're gonna
Yeah,
go
yeah.
dry probably now.
No. Now it's me and Arrow's time to shine. Let's hope Arrow doesn't get the butterfly, because he's gonna eat that shit. So...
Bro!
Don't wait, just go.
I didn't want to tell you guys, but I sold my car for this.
Okay, another pink. Bro, I can soon make a trade up with the pinks I have for a red, but I haven't opened one. Hello?
Me too.
Bro, Tuna, shut the fuck up! Arrow, how many you got, bro? Good talk. Oh my god. Oi! Now, we've been dry for a little while. It's gonna pick up soon again, for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, I haven't even gotten a red yet.
I've gotten $10 back in reds.
Some people start slow, but they finish fast. You understand what I mean?
What?
What the fuck? I just don't have any reds. What's happening?
Star Trek pink, no!
No.
$6.
Somebody's
Gabe,
opening
please.
gold now. Somebody's opening in within 10 seconds.
Has to be. Oh, a pink. Another one. I can legit do a trade up now with the pinks, I think. Only MP7s as well. Like, what the fuck?
Oh my god, I got another solid protect us.
No way!
Why are you
red?
getting so many reds?
Oh, I got another red. Well worn.
Oh.
It's €6, bro.
I've opened so many of these cases, like...
Yeah, Dreams and Nightmares has to be one of my personal, like, most opened. Did Arrow just bust? What happened?
I saw a red and I got a pink.
I just hear fucking silence and then just...
Where is my gold?
Where's my anything?
Yeah, legit.
Guys, maybe this is just the addiction speaking, but I think we should do this monthly.
I'm down.
At this point, we need to.
down.
I can sell maybe my mom's car.
I need to buy more storage units, bro. Mine is full. How much can you fit in a storage unit?
1,000.
What?
Yeah.
And I never have 1,000 in there. I have to check. Maybe it was a bug.
A bug? Arrow, he's like hungry as fuck. A bug? Did I hear that?
Guys, please.
I went to my inventory.
I just opened the Dual Bertas Melon Drama, well worn, and this skin is so haunted. His eyes are scratched out, but nothing else. I haven't seen that before. This is so haunted.
Almost as scary as the
Lack of golds, yeah.
So-
Is it your
Oh, red,
internet
red,
or-
red!
Oh, which one?
Oh my god, that's so battle scarred. What the fuck?
You have to chill, Streetman, bro.
I legit have 7 out of 10 pinks to make a red trade up now. I'm almost there. This is insane.
From 1,800 cases, we've only gotten 2 gold so far.
Please, Valve.
Please, Valve.
I'm going insane.
Bro, did they nerf my account? What the fuck is happening? I still don't have a red.
How can it go this bad?
What do you mean, how can it go this bad, brother? You're in the lead. Ah, I missed the red again.
Now I'm just pulling like butt plugs from Duna.
What, excuse me?
The sooner it's done, the sooner we can move on to the next stage of grief. Just saying. So,
The ocean is looking mighty fine.
Bro, Zach just goes and drowns himself after the video.
Oh my god.
He just is like, okay, bro, the stream's over. We'll.
Go!
no. Oh, no way.
No way! No way!
Look at the condition.
No way!
Look at the condition.
No way!
No way!
That is
No.
insane.
Bobby Free had the FN, bro. He took the lead.
You got
God.
the same knife as me, but factory new. I had minimal wear. Fuck!
What are the odds of that? So Duna's knife was like €126. Streetman's
Yeah.
was like 180, right? Wait, on the Steam market, Jesus is only listed for 173.
Wait, hold on. What the?
Wait!
Yeah, wait, Sax is listed for more on Steam market. What?
It's $20 more on buff.
Are we doing Steam prizes or buff?
Steam prices, of course.
I'm like 10 euros up. I'm 10 euros up.
What are the odds you get the same knife, bro? Another pink, bro. Legit. What the? Another MP7. I've got some six.
Nightwish!
What?
Star Trek Nightwish!
How much? How much? How much? How much?
€20.
$50.
So I think I'm in last place now.
No, brother, that would be me. You got the fucking $7 MP9, bro. That's better than what I got.
True.
Oh, another pink? Are you fucking kidding me? I have 10 left now, man. This is rough as hell. Guys, when you have 3 cases left, stop and we can do the last 3 together.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh! Guys, I'm clinically ill. I had 20 cases too little. I need to buy another 20. I can't count.
This is the 1,500th case since my last
way.
gold. And stat track Spirit board.
Dude,
Ouija.
you are cooked. But you have to be happy because you got 2 stat track reds. That's rarer than a knife, you know? You're actually lucky. Bro. Okay, I have 3 cases left.
Juice us up! We're 1,510 cases without anything! No! I got a red!
MP9!
I dropped out of college for this game.
That was not the correct decision. Oh,
Wait.
Duna doesn't have any money. I saw that.
Donna's gone bust.
So am I. I'm gone bust. Huh?
Does anyone have like a speech or anything?
I have a dream that one day we're gonna open the gold.
Gaben, listen up.
Listen up, Al.
We've all been playing Counter-Strike for the last 25 years, even though I'm only 21 years old. Now please,
Hallelujah.
end us with something!
Gaben, come down to this Discord call right now, Lord Gaben, come down now!
Boom! The stalling is crazy. All of this for 3 blues.
no.
I'm on my last case, bro. We are done, so. Last case, gentlemen. Are you ready?
Oh shit, I'm open already.
Did you already open, Duna? There's no fucking way, bro. Listen, okay, gentlemen. This is the last case that can decide everything. Currently, Jesus is probably in the lead. Close second is Zach. Last case. 3, 2, 1. Boom. The actual last chance for anything.
Girl. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
And nothing. Ah, I didn't get a single red. Are you fucking kidding me? Guys, I'm gonna drown myself today.
How do we count the value? Because you don't know with reds and pinks.
I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm 99% sure Jesus won.
Oh, wait, I got a 5-7 with 5 1s. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Is that overpay?
Like $1.
Like,
Oh my fucking god.
19595. Wait, I write this.
195.95 euro.
I'm just going to calculate it. So I've got 414 AUD. That is 257.
257 euro. Street man, we need the final number, baby.
Okay, so I have 237 euros.
237. Even with Steam prices, Streetman Sack has lost. So, Jesus, congratulations. Just for reference, this case opening cost around 975 euro per person. So, you still lost. 1,800 cases worth of items. You still lost.
I know, it's crazy, isn't it? It's crazy.
Well, goddamn. That was nice. So next weekend we do it again.